channel. I told you guys I will be back again with another dare, and today I am collaborating with my daughter Diamond. What is going to happen today? We're going to be calling our friends to choose a dare for us. So we're calling just 3 of my friends. So whatever they say, we're going to do. Diamond will also be doing a dare on our channel as well. After watching this video, just go over to our channel and watch her as well. Our friends are also going to be calling her to choose a dare for her. So we decided to make it a twist. If you've not watched the previous one we did, go ahead and watch it. It's very interesting. I just hope that my friends won't be too mean to me. Oh my god. I just hope they're going to choose something nice. You guys requested for part 2 of this video, and we decided to bring the part 2. And this is the part 2 of the dare. I hope this is going to be fun. I just hope so. Anyways guys, after watching this video, up to Diamond channel, the link is gonna be in the comment section down below. Subscribe to our channel. Now subscribe to my channel and you're watching me, please go ahead and subscribe. Thank you all so much for 25,000 subscribers. Don't worry, it's not corona. Yes, I know I've not been consistent on this channel. I just want to try to be consistent, guys. It's not easy to be consistent, especially when you have other things going on for you. I'm so sorry, guys. I'll try as much as possible to be consistent. I've repented, okay? I've repented. I mean it. I have repented. Like, seriously, I have repented. I repent. I'm transformed. I'm not a new creature. Let's go over to this video. You've not yet subscribed, go ahead, hit that subscribe button. Please share this video, like this video, share this video. We need to come back again. This channel needs to be popping, needs to come back again. It's back to life again, I think I'm saying. Yes, action. The first person I'm going to call for my dare is my friend and my cousin. She lives in London, and I will insert her picture somewhere here. Oh my god, I'm so scared. I just hope this day will not be too mean. So it's ringing now.
Oh.
Hi. From Becky's Corner. You're live on my YouTube channel.
I dare you to eat. It's
so spicy. Do you want to kill me?
You want a challenge, and I gave you a challenge.
What? A mean one.
You use the channel now to see if you're eating it like.
What? Are you serious?
Serious.
Anyway, I don't have Rodo. I don't have a time in the house. Yes.
How can you not have
I don't have Rodo. She's telling me to eat a spicy pepper. To the Nigerians here, you know what I'm talking about. Spicy pepper. Like red spice. No, that's really dangerous. Come on, it's dangerous. Can you change it? No, some me now. There's some me.
Let me pity you.
Okay, she has changed it to onions.
How am I going to see you live now? I want to see you.
No, I have to edit the video. I haven't edited it. When I edit it, you'll see it.
Okay. Raw onions.
Raw onions.
Yes.
Okay, my cousin is daring me to eat raw onion. I'm gonna do that now. Oh my god. Thank you very much. Love you. Thank you. I'm gonna get the onions right now, and I will do my first dare. Eating onions. Oh my god. Come on, bring onions for me, please. Thank you. She chose pepper. Imagine pepper. How can I even eat pepper? Nigerian pepper is so spicy, and thank god I don't even have pepper at home anyway. I don't have Rodo at home. I just no. If how can I eat Rodo? God, look at my sisters. Now my mouth is going to smelling of onions. No matter how much I brush my teeth, I will be smelling onions all through the day. This is so mean. Come on. So this is onions. She only asked me to eat onions. She didn't tell me to eat the whole of it. So I'm so grateful for that, okay? I'm just gonna eat a tiny bit of it because she didn't tell me the quantity. I'm just oh my god. This is so mean. Guys! I'm gonna eat this. It's actually really yummy. My mouth is just, I can already smell onions all over me. This is Alright guys, that's the first day. One person I'm gonna be calling is Sari, okay? Tari has her own YouTube channel. She's also a YouTuber. Please check out her channel. I'll leave her channel name in the comment section down below. She's a great YouTuber. If you want to check out her content, you're gonna love her. It's about family life and stuff. You're gonna learn a lot from her. She has Okbolo up there, you know. Just want to check out her channel and you'll love it. So I'm gonna call Sister Tari right now. Sister Tari. It's ringing now. It's ringing.
Hello.
Hello, you're live on my YouTube channel.
Hi everyone.
Yeah, she's saying hi to you all.
Oh,
Hey,
what's up?
God, oh, help me. I hope this day is not a hard one. I know you're a very nice lady. Your day will be very good. I trust you.
Exactly. Very easy. Don't worry about it. It's very easy.
Okay.
You can't do it straight away. You can do it later. It's fine.
Really? Is it that hard?
No, it's not hard.
Okay, go ahead and say.
Okay, what I want you to do is to squeeze the whole lime. You know lime, not lemon, no.
Where will I see lime? I only have lemon now.
Lemon, no bitter rich.
Why you She said lemon is not bitter enough.
Drink and drink.
Oh, I only have lemon. I don't have lime now.
That's why I said if you can't do it now, you do it later. Go and get yourself lime.
No, there's no lime in the UK. Oh. There's no lime in the UK. You know now. You can only get lemon.
Say no. I have lemon. I have lime in my fridge.
Are you serious? Do they sell lime? I've never seen lime.
Get yourself lime. Squeeze the whole thing.
Why are you guys calling something hard? The first person called onions. Now you're calling like. Do you even want to punch my tummy? Oh my God! What kind of sisters do I have?
It's good for you, really. It's good for your health.
Can you
You've
imagine?
been doing exercise that day, so it will help you lose weight.
Oh my God.
Yeah?
But see, ma choose. Ma drink lemon now. I bring lemon for me in the fridge. I don't get lime. I want lime.
Don't squeeze it inside cup or squeeze it inside your mouth.
What?
How to say you're squeezing it?
Can you imagine, guys? These people are so mean. Like, you people are so mean. Come on there. Come on there. You wear trousers. Don't form my hand.
That's my best for you. And you.
Anyway, thank you very much.
Don't worry. Take care.
Oh my God. Which kind of people be this one? The first person was onions. I'm still smelling of onions right now. Ah, God, do video. Now, can you imagine? Guys, this is lemon. She said she wants me to squeeze it in my mouth. Oh my God! I just finished having onions. Now I want to have lemon. What kind of combination is this? Okay, guys. Here we go. He's slapping me. I'm getting a slap. This is so mean. Oh my God. I feel like ending this video right now. I don't know what the third person is going to call. The next person now. God, please touch the heart of this person. Touch her heart. Just touch her heart. Anoint her heart. Strengthen her heart. Let her just tell me to talk. Just talk. And keep quiet. That's it. Anything I want. This one will not tell me to go and eat my poo. But this requires good prayer. Sister EVA.
Hello.
Hello, you're live on my YouTube channel. What do you want me to do? Don't be mean. Because two people were already mean to me. Please don't be mean. Say something nice. What do you want me to do?
Alright. Alright.
Thank you.
I'll be nice.
Thank you very much. Thank you.
Just this, what I want to do is just get a very nice powder, white one. Just pour it on your face and your head. Are you with me?
Can you imagine, guys? Can you imagine? Can you guys hear her?
Yeah.
Can you guys hear her?
Yeah, after turning your face and your hair to white, give us a good down step for like 5 minutes. That's not too long.
My my god, these people are so mean. The 3 people I call, they are so mean. All of them know, they are not nice at all. They are not nice. Can you imagine? Daughter is already getting the powder. What kind of dance?
No, okay, choice 5 minutes. Good dance step, 5 minutes.
Can you
That's
imagine?
it. But you need to be white, all your head and your face. I need a white face.
Why you they do like? Why I go put my face alone now? How will I pour it on my hair? Do you want me to start washing my hair? And they come church tomorrow. I will carry white hair. They come church. Sister Ivy, this is not nice. This is not nice, Sister Ivy. It's not nice. It's not nice. Change it. Change it. Change it. Be nice. Be nice. Be nice. Be nice. How you go say my pop powder for my hair?
I'm very nice.
My face alone.
Becky's corner, your head and your face. With 5 minutes downstairs. That's what I want.
God.
I'm not asking for too much.
Which kind of people be this? Just tell me to dance.
No. That's my desire. Face, white hair.
These people, they don't like me before. They don't know how to talk. It's just an opportunity for them to suffer me. Like when you have friends as enemy. You have friends, you are thinking they are your friends. You go, bye-bye. They go. Oh my god. I want to spoil this my beautiful moisturized face. Eh? Let's just just because I want to do a video. I even say I should eat pepper. Kilo de Ghana.
Do you want me to do it for you?
Even my daughter is not nice.
You can have some nice makeup powder, it'll be nice. No, that's not on you. You need it all over you. Pour it.
No, I can't do it more than this. Kind of idea, like pop powder all over you. Start dancing.
Well,
I can't do more than this.
No, mommy, put more on your palm and then just put it on your face there. You literally just figure, look at it, look at your face. That's not even on you. That's hardly on you. Put it more on your. Yes, that's right. Now put it all over your face. Get a good moisturize.
My hair is not gonna work because it's gonna take time to wash it away, and I don't want to wash my hair today. It's not gonna work except I have to take the hair out. I'm going to church tomorrow, so I don't want to go through all those stress. Can you imagine? See what they're asking me to do.
Come on.
Cool music, now let me dance.
They're going to turn around like this. I'm going to lift your both hands like this.
What can't you do? What can't you do? She's a maker out every other name. Can't you change? She's a you cannot change. Nothing you cannot turn around. You are a great and mighty God. I hope you all enjoyed this video. Come to the end of this video. Finally, I am free. Do not forget to check out Diamond's channel and our own theirs as well. So thank you all so much. If you've watched to the end of this video, I'm saying a massive thank you to you all, and I will see you all in my next video. Bye bye.
A pair of jeans, a shirt or two. We didn't pack as if we weren't going back. It doesn't matter if